which actually shows food allergy. So when we eat out, some allergy happens, and that need not be just in the stomach, it can happen on the skin also. So this image shows the skin allergy after food. So that's a food allergy. So she was already using skin healing gel. Then she asked me, can I use it for my face? I said, yes, go ahead. And when she applied the skin healing gel in just a few applications, she has completely recovered, and she's not been to a doctor. So the skin allergy has completely gone down. And what she has done was, she has applied it at night before sleep, and that gave her difference in just few days. This is an image which shows the under eye dark circles, which is again a very common problem. This happens because of more light exposure. In the day and night we are with the phone, and the lights at home, all these matter. So ఈ అండర్ ఐ డార్క్ సర్కిల్స్ కూడా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. ఏం చేయాలంటే, నైట్ ఫేస్ వాష్ చేశాక జస్ట్ అప్లై ఇట్ అరౌండ్ యువర్ ఐస్ అండ్ గో టు బెడ్. సో గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ యూ విల్ సీ రింకిల్స్ కానీ, డార్క్ స్పాట్స్ కానీ, ఇంకేదైనా కూడా మార్క్స్ ఉన్నా ఫేస్ పైన, బాడీ పైన, అవన్నీ గ్రాడ్యువల్గా ఫేడ్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయి, సమ్ పీపుల్ మే నోటీస్ స్కిన్ పీల్. ఇది నోని స్కిన్ హీలింగ్ జెల్ పెట్టినప్పుడు యూ మైట్ నోటీస్ స్కిన్ పీల్ అయిపోవడము స్కిన్. సో నథింగ్ టు వరీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ రిమూవింగ్ ద డెడ్ స్కిన్ అండ్ రీక్రియేటింగ్ అ న్యూ స్కిన్. This is an amazing testimony which we received recently. A person with muscle tightness for years, that is considered, it seems, as an autoimmune disease. So he just tried applying Noni skin healing gel, as he knows so much of benefits which my customers have witnessed. So he wanted to give a try, muscles kuda panchestunda ani. Because recently one of my relative had a nerve swelling, and she asked me if Noni skin healing gel can help. So adi skin healing gel pettaka ఆ నర్వ్ స్వెల్ అయ్యి లోపల క్లాట్ అయింది, అది మెల్ట్ అయిపోయింది విత్ ఇన్ ఓవర్ నైట్. సో ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పినప్పుడు that person, he applied for his muscle tightness, and he also noticed that in a few days, just like 5 to 6 days, he saw much relief in his muscle tightness. And this is a picture which shows the application of Noni skin healing gel on his legs. I've always shown you in the previous episode that you can apply it to your face to give that shine and glow. Here I have two ladies with their feedbacks. One, she had lot of blackheads and whiteheads on her nose, which has actually completely gone off using skin healing gel regularly. And what she does is, she applies it even in the daytime as a sunscreen. She says it's working very well for her. So that is also another beautiful feedback which given me more confidence. And the other lady, she has actually stopped going to a parlor after regularly using skin healing gel, and suggested to many of her friends, because on a regular use what happens is, you will see the skin tightness, the fluffiness in your skin, shine and glow automatically. So you would not want to go to a parlor. So you can see that one product, skin healing gel, can give you multiple benefits, like for injuries, for hair, for scalp, for skin, everywhere. So you can understand that it's a multi-beneficial product. And మీరు చూసారు ఇమేజెస్ లో, నేను ఎన్ని different issues ఒకటే ప్రోడక్ట్ తోటి సాల్వ్ అయింది. సో మీకు ఏమైనా ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ ఉన్నా, ఏమైనా క్వైరీస్ ఉన్నా, ప్లీజ్ కమెంట్ బిలో.